Oi.
Good limbula people, good limbula. Welcome back to another episode of Village Life. Farm Village Life. So today we are the rugby team working day at the farm. Today we're gonna work 1 hour each of everyone's farm. So here is with me is Penyasi
And Rambula.
and over there is Tetushi. And here is Chope.
Bula guys.
How was this morning, boy?
Oh no.
Huh?
Too much grog eh?
Too much grog, eh?
Too much grog.
And over there it's Tusha from the far distance. Uncle there. And brother so there and Gura on the other side. So let's go. Let's see how it's grow. This is Tusha and MC over there. So people, today we're gonna weed the grass first before we start with our dukis. Tay? We weed first before we start the duki.
Yes.
Okay. Pakan dua.
This is working together.
Working together.
Salsalbak yeah.
Salsalbak.
Yeah.
This is where the grade oldest.
Team bonding eh.
Yeah.
And all these guys are members of rugby team.
Yeah. This is where the grade oldest reach in their life.
Yeah.
Thank you, boy.
Thank you.
So far so good, people.
The owner of this farm will climb the coconut for us.
Sayang, not like that.
That's the
Look, uncle.
owner of the farm will climb coconut.
Today, every day, whoever farm we go to, the owner should climb the coconut. Every one of them.
Not just me. Each of everyone. When we reach Lai's farm, we all climb. Now people, it's break time. Break. Sit down, have water. Look around another side. Suki here.
Look to the
That one? All sorry there. So it's time for the first rest. So look, as soon as we weeding, we saw cassava. It's already mature on the way we're weeding. Look. So if you want a big levana like this, big levana like this, come to this guy. This guy owns the big levana in the island. He can show you the technique of big and brush. So people, we're gonna take a small break, and then we will back to you. Same. Skunikay like. So now people, we are spread it into two part of groups. Those guys is gonna do the dukis and us is gonna be do the wares. How is it so far, boy?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Good, eh?
Andra.
What do you expect by this kind of work? What do you experience? What come to your mind?
Team bonding.
Team bonding, yeah?
After this, we go train.
Yeah.
Challenge next week, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, set.
Okay. Thank you. Ooh, red it is all, eh?
Huh?
Red. Uncle.
Yeah, Bula guys,
Yeah.
as you can see, we doing that Solvaki right now. And the boys come work for me just for 1 hour.
Okay, okay, uncle.
See that girl over there, a very sexy girl.
Makan do. How's it? This one the sexy girl. How's it?
Oh, sexy girl, yeah. I like that. This one.
Huh? How's it, uncle?
Boleh pernah kamu. I like the view, yeah.
Yeah, look at the view, people. This is like in the middle of the island of Muturiki. How is it, Tai?
Good.
And this is Shem. I wake this guy this morning. He wake up and then go back to the room and then sleep. As soon as I knock like this in the room, into the window, he look up like this. Look amazing, eh? This is Matao. How's it, Matao? Good morning. Hmm?
All good.
All good. This is the baby of this farm. This is all our baby here. How is it, baby? Andra, boy.
Andra.
Thank you, boy. So, people, we finished with the first farm. We finished, eh?
Finish.
Time to move on. Let's see how much farm we did today. Okay. Ah? Harus alam tu mebiku. Itulah.
Mbula guys, I want to say mbula to our friends in
The rest of the teammate. Eh?
the rest of the teammate. They are Musundo. Timothy and William, if you are watching this, we say mbula to you guys. Brother Steve, thank you for the hard work.
MP
You are
Shabak.
also hardworking in the village.
MP Shabak to the village.
No, kita M-Pesa and come we said M-Pesa. You guys work hard, as gang work hard. Set.
This is the earth of Wokad. Eh?
Yeah.
The whole of earth of Wokad.
If you are tired, don't tired.
Ask guys, hard labor. You guys bring the money.
The what? You build the money.
Yeah, they build the money. We had to work here.
We build the soil.
Yeah.
Ta owner, boy, you're not the owner to. When we reach your farm, we just gonna go and we show around, then we take gather around. So same technique. Gang that duki, gang that we will do the video. So one thing about this thing, people, what we're doing right now in Fijian life, it's like it's gonna make you strong when you live in the village. If you can, when something come like this to your village, you can take it, because when you stay in the village life, when you reach at the farm, you can do whatever you want to do. When you have a big, everything mature in your farm, everything you have the cassava, the taro, everything. So you're gonna be a stronger person staying in the village. It's gonna be easy for you to stay in the village. So yeah, this is what we are doing right now. Not only in the playground, at the farm too. You reach in playground, you reach to it village, to your life. So yeah, we nakabaliw for tuning in for this broadcast. This is the owner of the farm, people. Look, people. This is the cousin way. Dale. Uno hay mo. Uno hay. This is my strong uncle. Good morning, uncle.
Uncle.
Hey, so came back from Lolobia. Thank you for the working for the tourists, uncle.
Manda, mai buke.
How's it, uncle? How was the job?
Very.
1 week job.
Huh?
How about the 1 week bro job?
Oh no. Very nice. No job like this job, eh?
You bring Chachi one hot stuff?
Yeah, what stuff in my bed?
Chachi stuff here with uncle.
Diaper.
Hot stuff.
Yeah, diaper. Bukan tebak semua.
Auntie going back?
Huh?
Auntie going back?
Yeah, auntie.
Oi, Isha. He give you the bracelet?
Huh?
He give you the bracelet?
Yeah, another bracelet. See my bracelet. You give that one. Fuck you. It's like you from the
Oi.
white pussy.
Thank you, uncle.
Thank you, uncle. How's that, boys?
The boys is doing well. They miss you so much.
You miss me?
Yeah.
If you miss me, plant all the cassava. Saya sungkir serungan teman
So people, it's time to move on to another farm.
Another farm.
Yeah. This uncle
Go
here.
and Duki.
Tahu orang?
We go and Duki and Samu for the taro and the cassava. Yo. Set that.
Yeah. If you have this kind of that thing in the village, you're gonna be strong.
Yeah, you gonna strong. Any langa come, you
Yeah.
don't worry anything. You just go and harvest, come back. Mother.
Thank you. So we're gonna move on, people. See you there. This is some of the farm snakes, eh? Next time, people. Call the para.
Para.
Parasa.
Parasa.
Taste man the parasa. How is it? How is the parasa? Huh? Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Good.
The yang parasa or this one the yang parasa?
Good too.
See ya, people. That's the rest of the bush. The time now, people, it's 12:19, and we are at the 4th farm right now. So yeah, we still going now, people.
Okay, guys, say hi, Bula.
Bula. Welcome to the hood, eh?
Okay. Thank you, brother. Okay. Okay. Oh, bola.
You welcome.
The ladies from Switzerland. Oh,
Which one?
from Canada.
No.
Say hi.
Hi, Bula. Have a nice day, everyone. This is our fellow student. Our fellowship.
Thank you. Okay, this one's name is Bakandua. This one's name is Bakandua.
Bula.
Belum nak Bakandua. Thank you.
Bula guys. How are you to find out?
Okay. This is our doctor. Doctor, say hi.
How you guys? How you?
How's the weather? How's the weather?
Oh, it's nice weather here.
Okay. Okay. More drum bula. Uncle. Bula. Totok. Okay, naka. Fan marau. Okay, guys.
Bula.
Okay.
Kami endrang sa route ko
Okay. This one is Bobby Leslie.
Don't take. If you want to eat, don't eat. Eat the blood.
Eat your blood, yeah?
Kaci. Oh, hi there. Hi, mate.
Okay. How's your life, my child?
Oh, good. Just doing some skin of the team here. What's in the teams nih?
Nasiriba.
Sirriba
Motorikin doa.
motorikin tuh.
Okay. Do you like living in Motoriki?
Mau iyo.
No, iya.
Here is Tapara and Tape village. Tapaparash.
Paras.
What's that really? What is it? See this guy, it's a green one. Thank you. Lunch time.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mauli.
Mahali.
Ngeri kan dapetan suran.
So people, we are now at the fish farm. Nikos farm. So people, we already cleaned the terra farm. Nikos terra farm. And one thing to people about the farm, you can move on. It doesn't matter how big your farm is. Rather, if you didn't clean your mow, like the grass, you can finish your farm is not gonna be used. So this is the first thing for your farm, to take away the grass, from the plants. So yeah, so now it's time for lunch. Let's see man how what we lunch. Gori, kanto binakatang ko. Gura lagi kay kong gura.
Gura you are second class.
Why nimbu? Lunch people. Iya. Wait. Look at it.
Bula. Real taste of the Pacific.
White coconut.
White coconut blessed.
Look at the bush. All have lunch. This is some relax farm. Relax lunch. Uncle, how was the coconut?
This guy is husking the coconut. Okay, guys, it's lunchtime.
Bro,
Kita boys,
have some coconut.
coconut.
Drink the juice and eat the flesh. Good for your health.
What is the good for you to drink coconut?
That's the taste of the person.
Okay. Uncle like. Okay. Bakandwa, what is the good for you to drink coconut?
Oh, that good for me to drink coconut is to, energize the body, eh?
Okay. Okay, brother. Okay. Brother, what is the good for you to drink coconut?
Refreshment.
Refreshment. May tahu?
I had 3, man.
Hah?
I had 3.
3. Okay.
Big gitu.
That's for energizing was done the grog. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, my friend, yeah. This guy from Jamaica.
Gue nggak kayak segi. Mai pas ngeliat sama Han, so give some more power.
Okay. Thank you. Brother. Brother, how's your coconut?
Oh, delicious. Tastes like what? Pasta. Momo.
Okay.
Very fresh.
Ah. What is that good for you to drink coconut and eat flesh?
This is lunchtime. After this, we go to Momolai's farm. We do some wedding there. Wedding? Cassava. Do some wedding there.
Wedding. Hey, no. Don't talk shit.
That's the time to talk shit. Next time.
Okay. Pemula. Okay, guys, I wanna show you someone. I want to show you gang someone. This guy.
Bula friends,
This guy from Hamas.
No. It's good. If you want to taste it, you should come. You taste it. You know how boo.
Suan
like-
and Bu.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you guys. Thank you friends.
thank you. Tosese. I think Tosese, your name should be Christopher. Okay, guys. Yummy. See? Okay.
Thank you, boy. So for now, people, we finished. We done the farming. We done 6 farm today, and now the time is 4, nearly 5 o'clock, 4:30, and we have finished. So people, if you wondering, the other boys, the other members of the team, this team is have 3 villages in Matariki: Wawa, Nasisara, and Navuti. Yeah, it's just like one family. Like the 2 brothers, they live together, and then the other one go directly to our village, and the other one go down to their village. So yeah, that's why. How was the farm, boy? Did you like that thing? The work? So girls, if you're wondering, look at this boy, young farmer. Come and meet him. Uncle?
Iya, pakan tua. Ini single girl out there can meet this young farmer. Single lady 0.5.
A few moments later.
Singan David tanlo kina singa me tigo tu awa sala butuku ouch anga bo maza mingo maza talnya sambu ko sama naut babin binata itu kina yalo kina karabe sulcu na ngona sulcu kina ngu zaza binaka amai zabu kun sini kuah babin binata bandona kita bandona sini kuah ada ramai babin binata nonton di bulan sunda mawa sunda balang kena bulan babin binata kina balik weekend dulu. Cuma na babin binak sahabat cuma na kenlew.
Naka.
Re pau mechina non tolu tu. Palu tu non ta talan ko.
Menu.
Naka. Bardo, Gori, Lasrau.
Join the circle, people.
Complete the circle.
So, people, we are finished now. And thank you. And enjoy the video. Until next time. See you soon.